Hey guys, so we are in beautiful Baldwin. I'll be showing you our new flip. We are just working on it right now. It's a gorgeous home. It's a colonial style, 3-bedroom with a finished attic as well, 1.5 bath with a full basement as well. You got a big driveway. It's about 60 by 100 is the lot. You got a 2-car garage in the back, a huge backyard. You're literally just 2 blocks away from Long Island Railroad, all the shopping, you know, it's very convenient. You're very close by Grand Avenue and Merrick. So just a beautiful location, guys. So let me take you inside. Let me show you the place on the inside. Alrighty guys, so sitting over here on the swing in the beautiful porch in Baldwin. So you got this amazing porch in the front, which is really nice. You can just sit outside and enjoy the view. This home also has an oversized deck in the back of the house. I mean, you can fit like 20-25 people on that deck. It's huge, it's humongous. And you got this oversized backyard, which is great, you know, for family fun. You know, invite friends over for the summer barbecue. It's just a fantastic house, not just on the inside, but also on the outside as well. Now, I just also want to let you know that this home is in Baldwin. So Baldwin has an independent school district. So the schools over here in Baldwin, they really good. Okay. Alright, guys, let's go inside. Here we come. So we are in the living room. Okay. As you can see, you know, the renovations, it's going. All right. So we got. This is the fireplace. This is a focal point of the house. So originally the fireplace used to have the brick over here, a sheet on top, and it had a mantle, a white mantle. So we decided to take that down and, you know, install these marble tiles basically all the way out from the bottom. So that's gonna really, you know, brighten up the room and sort of tie everything together. It's gonna go out. We're gonna put a new light over there. For the paint, we decided to go with a light gray almost into a metallic gray, a little blue in it, and white trim. So all the trims in the house, the moldings, the baseboards, the crown moldings, everything is going to be white. Okay. So let me walk you through. Let me show you, because this opens up straight into the kitchen. We are in the kitchen. Okay. So the kitchen, the cabinets, these are oak hardwood cabinets. Good quality. They've been in pretty good shape. They've been well maintained. So what we'll do, we'll refurbish those. We'll go with a white color as well. Okay. The countertop that's gonna go, we'll replace the Formica with a nice quartz. Something a little bit darker. The backsplash is going to be replaced as well. And of course, all the appliances, we're going to put stainless steel. That opens up into a dining room. So it's sort of like a semi-open floor plan. The living room flows into the kitchen. We got this island over here where we're going to put a couple of bar chairs as well. So you can use that as a breakfast nook. The dining room is going to be right over here. Dining room for at least 6 people. The nice thing about this house is that you also have a men's room over here as well. So if you have guests which are coming over and they need to use the bathroom or just maybe wash their hands, they can do that right over here as well. Okay. The laundry is going to be over here, so washer dryer with plenty of storage for all your liquids, stuff like that. And the real beauty is on the outside, because we have this oversized extra large deck, which is going to be, of course, we're going to refurbish the whole thing, so it's going to look just as brand new. The 2-car garage and a huge driveway. You can probably park at least 8 cars in the driveway. The driveway is really big. Here we got the powder room, the bathroom. It's a toilet and a sink, so that's going to be completely redone. Okay, we ripped pretty much everything apart. The towel on the bottom, as you can see, the towel on the bottom that's going to go on the floor, it's the same towel which is going to go in the fireplace. So again, it kind of, everything will tie together. The theme for the vanity will go with something light with a dark black matte, you know, faucet, really nice looking. Medicine cabinets probably go with something light as well, and nice lighting. Upstairs we got 3 bedrooms and 1 full bath on this level. The smallest one is to my left. The second bedroom is right behind me, and the master bedroom is in my right side. Is the biggest bed. Alrighty, guys. So here's the smallest bed. As you can see, we already replaced the floors. We put a nice laminate, hardwood laminate. Okay. It also has a built-in full-size bed, so it's gonna be all finished and ready to go. New light, new fixtures gonna come on top. And overall, it is a pretty nice size room. Alrighty, guys, so this is the second bedroom. This is the medium sized room. We already covered the floors because the paint is going on and we don't want to mess up the new flooring, okay? So, very nice size room. As you can see, you can easily fit queen or full size bed. We also have a closet. It's been painted with a primer, so we're still gonna have to touch it up and put a nice paint on it as well. We also have a closet over here as well, which is nice. And this bedroom is also facing the front, and it's facing the driveway. So you got two windows, so you got plenty of sunlight during the day, which is really, really nice. Now, this is the master, guys. Let me take you inside. So the floor has been put down as well. As you can see, we cover the floors, painted the room, we get the ceiling flat, we're gonna paint in the color again. Two windows, so you're facing the back over here, you're facing the driveway. So again, very good size room. Easily you can put king size bed with dressers, couple of dressers. You can maybe put a archer over there as well. So very nice size room. You also have an oversized closet over here as well, which is great. Gives you a lot of storage for your clothes and everything over here. So the flooring is in the closet as well. Okay, we have the full bath right over here. Also to your right, this is the entrance to the attic. Okay, I'll show you that in a minute. So you just follow me over here. Now you have a linen closet over here, built in, which is nice. It also has a plenty of storage on the bottom as well. So great space. Oversized, vanity. This is 36-inch vanity, very large. Beautiful toilet, and the bottom is all tile basically, to the ceiling. It's going to be all painted out. New features, new faucets, new lights. Now we are in the attic because this home it also has an attic, and this is a stand-up attic. This attic is completely finished. You also have the AC, and you have a heater, so you can possibly convert this into a 4-bedroom or maybe a family room. Okay, so let me show you around, guys. The space it's pretty big. As you can see, we will finish the whole place now. So it's going to be all painted now, sheets in. Okay, we're going to put the same hardwood, which is basically downstairs. We're going to put it over here as well. Alrighty, guys. So you saw it upstairs. Plenty of space for the kids to play, and you gotta love the attic. So 3 bedrooms, full bath, plus oversized attic, which is finished. There can be possibly a 4-bedroom, maybe a playroom for the kids, or maybe just another family room. Okay, so that's for the upstairs. Now we're gonna go in the back on the outside. I'll show you the driveway and stuff. So we are over here right by the driveway. Also, I just wanted to point out we have this vinyl fence in the front of the house. It looks absolutely stunning. So let me take you in the driveway. We are over here in the driveway. This is what I call a driveway, okay? Wide enough where you can put a truck through, okay? You can put a trailer into this driveway, and long enough as well, so you can easily fit 8, 9, 10 cars. So when you have the friends coming over and the family, they don't have to look for parking, guys. They can park right over here in your driveway. It's big. There's also the backyard. It's very big. It's 60 by 100. So I mean, you get plenty of space. Hey guys, so here are we on the deck, the oversized deck. Okay, you can easily fit 20, 30 people at any given point. It's right off the kitchen. So just amazing place. It kind of ties in the outside and the inside all together. So I mean, look at the size. Here we are in the backyard. Yeah, you also have a side entrance to the backyard. So you don't have to go just from the driveway, from the back through the deck. You can also go through the side of the house, the other side of the house as well. And most importantly, the side entrance over here, not only it will lead you to the backyard, but will also lead you to the side entrance of the house. Now this door will lead you straight into the living space or downstairs into the basement as well. I hope you enjoy the tour of our newest flip. Like I said, We're shooting to be done in 3 weeks, so definitely stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.